This Black+Decker crisp in-bake air fryer toaster oven combo is built for modern kitchens that demand versatility, speed, and visual appeal without sacrificing counter space. Designed as a true multi-purpose appliance, this countertop convection oven replaces several standalone tools while delivering consistently crisp, evenly cooked results. With its elegant French doors, stainless steel finish, and 12 intuitive cooking functions, it positions itself as more than a basic toaster oven. It is a daily-use cooking solution for families and busy households. One of the first things that stands out is the French door design, which adds both style and practicality. Unlike traditional pull-down doors, the dual French doors open smoothly with a single pull, offering full access to the interior without requiring extra clearance. This design makes it easier to insert and remove large trays, pizzas, or air fryer baskets, especially in tight kitchen spaces. The stainless steel accents elevate the overall aesthetic, allowing the oven to blend seamlessly with modern appliances. Despite its compact footprint, the interior capacity is impressively generous. The oven comfortably fits a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 slices of toast, making it suitable for family meals, shared snacks, or entertaining guests. This balance between size and capacity is a major strength, as it allows full meals to be prepared without overwhelming the countertop. At the heart of the crisp in-bake is its convection air frying technology, which circulates hot air rapidly to create crispy textures without excess oil. Foods emerge with the crunch and browning typically associated with deep frying, but with far less fat. This makes it especially appealing for users who want healthier versions of their favorite comfort foods without compromising taste or texture. The appliance offers 12 distinct cooking functions, covering nearly every common kitchen task. These include air fry, bake, convection bake, pizza, broil, roast, fries, toast, bagel, reheat, snacks, and keep warm. Each function is engineered to remove guesswork by automatically adjusting heat distribution and airflow. This variety allows users to move seamlessly from breakfast to dinner using a single appliance. Speed is another area where this oven excels. The convection fan is positioned above the upper heating element, allowing heat to circulate efficiently and evenly. This design reduces cooking time by more than 2 times compared to traditional ovens, making it ideal for quick weeknight meals or last-minute cravings. Faster cooking does not come at the cost of quality. Foods remain evenly cooked with consistent browning. The intuitive selection dial enhances usability by clearly indicating cooking status through color changes. The indicator turns red when the oven is actively cooking and blue when it is paused or on standby. This visual feedback removes uncertainty and helps prevent overcooking. Combined with the 60-minute timer, it gives users precise control over every dish. Monitoring food during cooking is simple thanks to the Easy View glass door, which allows a clear look inside without opening the oven and releasing heat. This feature is particularly useful for air frying and baking, where visual cues often determine doneness. It helps maintain consistent temperatures while ensuring optimal results. Cleanup is refreshingly simple. The oven includes dishwasher-safe accessories such as an air fry basket, bake pan, crumb tray, and rack, reducing post-meal cleanup time. The crumb tray effectively captures debris, keeping the interior cleaner and extending the life of the appliance. This focus on convenience makes the crisp in-bake suitable for frequent, everyday use. From a performance standpoint, the Black+Decker crisp in-bake delivers reliable, repeatable results across a wide range of foods. Toast browns evenly, pizzas cook with crisp crusts, and air-fried items achieve satisfying crunch without dryness. The oven handles reheating particularly well, restoring texture instead of leaving food soggy or unevenly warmed. In everyday kitchen routines, this appliance proves to be a strong alternative to full-size ovens and standalone air fryers. It saves time, reduces energy use, and simplifies meal preparation. For households looking to streamline their kitchen setup while expanding cooking options, the crisp in-bake offers a compelling balance of power, efficiency, and design. Key features and benefits: 12 versatile cooking functions for all meal types. Convection air frying for crispy results with less oil. French door design for easy, space-saving access. Fits a full 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast. Faster cooking with efficient heat circulation. Intuitive controls with visual cooking indicators. Dishwasher-safe accessories for easy cleanup. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent cooking versatility in one appliance. Crispy air-fried results with reduced oil. Stylish French doors with stainless steel finish. Fast cooking times with even heat distribution. Easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe accessories. Cons: no digital display for precise temperature readings. Exterior can warm during extended cooking sessions. Requires some counter space despite compact design. Final verdict: the Black+Decker Crisp In-Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is an ideal choice for anyone seeking a powerful, space-efficient appliance that does more than one job and does it well. Its thoughtful design, fast performance, and wide range of cooking functions make it a practical upgrade for everyday cooking. Whether preparing quick snacks or full meals, it delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if this countertop oven fits your kitchen needs. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.